Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Brianna, or you can call me Bree. And today you're gonna pack with me because we're going to Sneakercon, and it's San Antonio. It's gonna be in San Antonio, and this is my first Sneakercon, so I'm pretty nervous. But let me show you what I'm currently wearing, and I'm also gonna show you the journey of me going to Sneakercon. Also, my cousin Rudy is recording, so I'm excited for him because we're living his dream of going to Sneakercon. So I'm so happy to see that we're finally gonna check something off his bucket list. But anyways, from what you can see, sorry, I'm kind of crouched down because I'm trying to pet my dog at the same time. Oh, the star. So I'm wearing my James Avery necklace that already got me. Apple Watch, old Apple Watch, a Harley Davidson tee. It's super wrinkled, but today is like traveling day, so I don't mind. I mean, I know a lot of people don't like their clothes wrinkled. And then I have like these mom jeans, and then I'm wearing my ones right here. The Starfish Hermes inspired shoes. And you already seen them before, so that's what I'm wearing. And then let me show you what I'm packing right now. Okay, so don't mind the mess because I'm currently in the living room and my room's even messier. Okay, so we're starting off with the pajamas that I'm gonna wear. It's a Utah Jimmy shirt. I wear this all the time. I wear t-shirts to sleep, to go to school, for whatever. So that's my pajama top. And then the bottoms are just these Christmas ones. And then I'll put my clothes here in case you start to see piling up. And then for day one, I decided to go with these green, like cargo type pants. They're kind of faded by their system, so I don't mind. And they kind of fit, I don't know what's the word, stacked. I think that's what they call them, like stacked jeans. That's how they kind of fit, but it's because I'm short. So maybe about like 2 feet taller, 2 feet, like 2 inches taller, then it would fit me better. But I plan to wear these with an old crew neck with my name on it, a black crew neck. And then it has my old car crew on it. But the reason, like, it's crazy, I know, because it's green and then the black and red crew neck. I know, kind of weird. But I hope it's a vibe with these shoes. My dunks. So there's the red and the black, so it can go over the top. And then just the green is going to be kind of weird, but hopefully it looks fine. Because Dennis Rodman's going to Sneakercon, so that's kind of why I wanted to wear my dunks. Since I wore my ones to the last sneaker event that I went to, so I decided to get these. And then for the third day, because we're only gonna go for 3 days, technically today's the first day, traveling day, and then tomorrow the full day, and then I'm not sure what we're gonna do Sunday, but it's not gonna be a full day because I still have school on Monday. So I'm gonna wear my beautiful private selection t-shirt because it's not gonna be that cold. Well, hopefully it's not. It's gonna be in the 70s supposedly. So I hope I get, well, I'm taking this, so I'm stuck with this. Is this private selection t-shirt, Early Bird Boys, you know? And then I decided to do something different and buy some brown cargo pants. But this is more like a jogger type because they're really elastic at the bottom. But they kind of look like, when I tried them on, they kind of remind me of like scrubs for some reason. Like, they look like scrubs to me. I don't know, because I've been wearing scrubs recently, that's why they look like scrubs. But I don't know. It's just funny. But I'm excited to wear these. And then, of course, some plain old my beater sneakers, the ones that wear all the time and I get so much trash about it, but my supposedly white blazers. And hopefully I find another white shoe soon because these are getting nasty. This is what I'm wearing for day 3. And then for some extras, I'm gonna take this black Nike zip up because I was originally gonna wear this with the green pants, but who knows, because I don't know how the temperature is gonna be, and I'm not sure if we're gonna be waiting outside to go to Sneakercon because I've never been. But it's better to be safe than sorry, or just wear this underneath the crew neck so I could be extra warm. And then I'm taking this Sad Girl Season hoodie just in case, because we know it's gonna be cold. But yeah, this is what I'm taking. And then it's all gonna be in this Adidas bag, small Adidas bag. And there's my dog chilling on my jacket, on my big jacket that I'm gonna be wearing because it's really, really cold right now. It's 4 degrees, which is cold for me. And I think he's sleeping on that because he knows I'm leaving. So sorry, Curbs. Love you. So that's everything that I'm taking to Sneakercon. Let me know what you guys think, and hopefully I'm prepared. After experiencing the Sneakercon, I'm prepared for the next one to see what I can wear, because it's so difficult finding outfits for the cold, because I am not a cold girl. I am a summer sweating hot girl, and I just love wearing t-shirts, so it was extremely difficult for me to find something to wear with my sneakers. But hopefully the next one I attend, I have either more winter clothes or it's hot. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.